Alright, that says 136.0, so that means this is B136. This is the old third Potomac River crossing on the Western Maryland. The last time I was here, that was not punched through like that. But they didn't have to do that because this one you can climb up the bottom of the barricade. Some sort of insulation. That's the towpath right down there. And West Virginia's over there. Sky's not looking so hot. This is a pretty long bridge, I believe. I think it curves too, but I'm not real sure. Anyway, let's get out of here, huh? Oh, maybe there's a date on this tie plate right here. I don't know how to read it. Pretty sweet. Last time I was here was when I first got my GoPro. Yeah. I don't know why they would rip this, but okay, make it nice and easy, because before all you have to do is walk down here. Someone took the builder's plate because it was right there. What a piece.